Hi everyone, this is Jaden. I'm back with another video for you. Today I wanted to share with you guys the 3 supplements that I'm taking now. As you know, starting last week, I began my new raw vegan journey. I have decided to add some cooked foods into my diet, but I'm 100% still plant-based vegan. I'm just 75% raw and 25% cooked. That feels the best for me and my body, and so that's what I'm doing. The first one, Sun Warrior protein powder. It's amazing. It's organic, it's raw, it's vegan, and it's just got such high vibe to it. I go by how I feel about things with pretty much everything. This protein powder, when I opened it, it just has like a super high energy feel to it. It's just got this very earthy smell. I love that, and maybe some of you might not like that, but I find it very refreshing. It comes in chocolate, original, and I think vanilla flavor. I got the chocolate this time because that's all they had, but I'm usually more for the original flavor. I'm not the biggest fan of chocolate. I used to hate chocolate. I've grown accustomed to the taste, and I kind of enjoy it now sometimes and don't mind it, but I know I'm weird, like everybody loves chocolate, but I just did not like chocolate for most of my life. I'm cool with it now, so the chocolate flavor is totally fine. I just take this either before or after workout, or sometimes when I don't have time to make something, just put a scoop with some water or oat milk, shake it up in my blender bottle, and just have it. Oh, it's really easy. The second thing I'm taking is Turmeric Supreme by Gaia Herbs. I'm taking this because through my recovery of anxiety and adrenal fatigue, I develop really bad lower back and hip pain that's chronic due to the fact that I wasn't able to move as much, and also the cumulative stress that I put on my body before that was out of balance. I'm doing all I can to recover myself from it, doing a lot of exercises, rehab routine, and so I went ahead and found this to help me support that. It is mainly turmeric and black pepper. For those of you that don't know, it's pretty popular now. Taking turmeric and black pepper together can really like accelerate the anti-inflammatory effects. So turmeric is good for anti-inflammatory, but if you take it with black pepper, it's supposed to like multiply the effects. Gaia Herbs Turmeric Supreme Extra Strength. I just take the recommended dose. The last supplement I'm taking is by Solaray, and it's Lutein Eyes 24 Advanced Formula, mainly bilberry and blueberry extract, and those 2 ingredients are very good for eye support, especially for like nighttime flashes. I used to have no issues with my eyes, except, I mean, I was nearsighted a little bit, but other than that, I had no issues with my eyes. Never saw weird flashes or glares or anything like that. But ever since the anxiety and adrenal hormonal imbalance, I started getting like really weird symptoms, like tons of floaters. I would see weird little flashes at night. Went to my eye doctor. Again, nothing was wrong with my eyes except, like, you know, he was like, you must be stressed out, and when you're stressed out, your eyes can do funny things like that. I decided to also take this to support my eyes. It is Solaray Lutein Eyes 24 Advanced, and again, I just take the recommended dose. As always, I will go ahead and link the supplements down in my description box, and so you can click and check them out and read up on them and see if you want to try it out if you're going through what I'm going through. I'm gonna go and take my 5-mile run. I've been doing that pretty frequently, and it's been feeling great. I'll take you guys with me after my run, and I'm gonna check out a local park. I'll see you guys soon. Today I wanted to share with you guys a interesting experience I've felt with recovering from anxiety and adrenal fatigue. It's so hard to put it in words. I've discovered that as I'm recovering from all the stress that I've had in my life, and I started introducing more calmness and peace and tranquility into my life, there will be times where, and you might be experiencing this too if you are struggling with the same thing I am, is that when you actually do have time to relax and do have time to kind of chill, you feel so weird because you're so used to having so much stress that silent and that relaxation is causing anxiety. It's crazy, but it happened to me. Recently, I've been doing so much better. I just got done my 5-mile run. I've been doing it pretty regularly now, and everything's feeling better and better every day. But I still do struggle with some parts of the recovery, which is not totally feeling okay yet with being relaxed. Okay, it sounds so weird probably to some of you because unless you have been so stressed out and chronically stressed and under pressure your whole life, this wouldn't make sense. But those of you who have gone through the same thing as I have, I'm sure it makes total sense to you. It's where when you're actually giving yourself the permission to relax and you've set up your life to where you can relax and be calm, a lot of the times you don't feel right. Like you feel like something's wrong because the stress isn't there and you're used to the stress being there. And with me, I've been used to having stress in my life my whole entire life. What I would find was that would trigger me to have anxiety because I was relaxed, and it would kind of start to take me back in the wrong direction. So it took some awareness and took some being present and focused when this would come up. I would talk myself gradually out of feeling that way and just told myself that it was okay to relax and that this is the path I'm on. I'm trying to recover. All the work and everybody else who's texting me and all the emails and job stuff, career stuff, life stuff, relationship stuff, all that can wait. And the most important thing is I need to feel okay and I need to feel good. And part of that is being able to relax and be balanced. I just want to share that with you guys because I know those of you who are going through the same thing must have this experience that I'm describing as well. Just so you know that you're not alone and I'm going through the exact same thing. I find that it's really helpful to prepare yourself when you know it's going to come up. When I would find myself, let's say I'm going home and it's time to relax and I've set out a time for me to relax, do what I want and have no agenda and no to-do list. As I'm approaching that time to have that relaxation, I start self-coaching myself that, Jaden, it is okay to have this break. You don't need to be productive 24/7. You don't need to be an overachiever 24/7. And this is good. Like, do nothing. Don't make a to-do list to do nothing. On my last video, you know that I have started doing raw vegan. I've done that twice in my life, just shy of a year both times. I was born and raised pretty much all vegan. We ate animal products very, very rarely. And then I started to eat animal products and decided to eat everything. I think I was like 26. It just felt like the right thing to do then. And as you know from my other videos about my belief system on laws of attraction and deliberate creation, I just always followed what my instinct tells me to do throughout all the different phases of my life and everything I've tried as far as diet, workout, lifestyle. I've always just kind of followed what inspired me and listened to my inner voice. Now it feels again to me that's good to go back into raw vegan for a while. So I did that for a week. And it felt really great. Right away, I got another inspiration to go ahead and add some cooked foods. Like I would say I'm eating raw vegan about 75% and 25% is cooked vegan. And by vegan, I don't mean like fake meat, processed candy, over sugared fruits and stuff type of vegan. I think the term now is whole food plant-based. That's what my diet is based on. Feel awesome. That's what my body needs right now. Again, it could change at any time. It could keep going. I just keep listening to what I feel is right for me and I just keep going on my journey. So I have a recipe for you guys today. It's a raw vegan smoothie bowl. I just got done my workout, so I'm gonna go home and prepare that and I'll share that with you. It's so easy. It's really fast. It's not even a recipe. It's like a put together of fresh fruits, nuts, and stuff like that. So let's check it out. Thank you for spending time with me again today, and I love all the support, all the comment, and I'm so happy that my channel is growing every day. Please subscribe if you haven't done so to help me grow my channel even more. Give me a like if you're liking my videos, and I will see you on my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.